In front of me is OPPO Reno 13F 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Quick disclaimer before we begin: face unlock can only be added if you already have screen lock. So to begin, click on Settings and scroll down to select Security and Privacy section. In it, you need to scroll down and tap on Device Unlock. Now, with your screen lock ready, you can hit Fingerprint and Face Unlock section. Select Face at the top left corner. Hit Agree in Statement of Use pop-up and then enter your current login method. Now it's time to tap Add Now, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When you finished, hit Done. Then manage all of those options however you want to, but make sure this switcher next to Screen Unlock is blue, so you can actually unlock your device using face data you just added. So now let's test it. When I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my OPPO. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!